So watch how the next family is going to look like seen and sheen, except with a small difference. So they're going to look like this, except with a small difference. So sits comfortably like this, and then a tail, and then a tail. See? It's easy, huh? Again, they're almost like seen and sheen. If you would write seen, and then you just close this area, they look the same. Okay, so now, just want to remind you that the Arabic pronunciation is very essential. Otherwise, you'll make some boo-boo names if you don't pronounce the letters properly. You may turn the meaning upside down, something that may sound very terrible. So that's why we're here to learn. It's very important to learn the makharij, what they call the makharij of huruf, or the exit points, to produce the proper pronunciation. Because speaking Arabic requires work, huh? Your face, your mouth, your body, all of this work together to produce this magical sound of the Arabic language. Okay? So the first one, no dot. And by now you know that the second one may get 1 or 2 or 3 dot above. So we'll give this guy, we'll give him dot on top. So they look like seen and sheen, okay? So the first one he's called sod. Huh? It's like whistling. Sod. Huh? Sod. Seesaw. It's like you're saying seesaw. Sod. There is a difference between sod, huh? And this guy right here, his name is Dod. Sod, Dod. Okay, there is a difference. Sod, seesaw, sod, and Dod. Huh? It's different than Dal. This is Dal, this is Dod. Huh? Okay. The next family contains 2 letters as well, and they are cousins to the Sod and Dod. Let's find out how they're cousins. They're exactly the same, huh? The base is the same. See, the base is the same, except no tail, huh? Except no tail.